I'm thinking is I'm just gonna quickly go through the liquid lipsticks and remove the ones that I don't use. Um,
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got two good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my own till I fell, but it wasn't fake. And I couldn't tell at the time, but I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay. That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. Now I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah. I like me better, I like me better when I wasn't yours. I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah, yeah. I gave you all that you asked of me. You like the view from behind, but you won't make an ass of me. That's why I'm saying goodbye. Hopping out my feelings, get to the money. Gotta keep it 100. Leaving you ain't really took nothing from me. So don't come looking for me. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot, but I haven't. You was just a no habit. So I'ma disappear like magic. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot, but I haven't. Now you wish that you had it. But all I gotta say back is, if I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. No, I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah. I like me better, I like me better when I wasn't yours. I like me better when I wasn't. I'm going back. Cause you found at the highway, highway. Remember when you saw me in the club, didn't show me any love? You was too busy popping bottles with the thugs. I know you was feeling up. Nah. Don't know why you're trying to front, couldn't even say what's up. Yeah, you couldn't even say what's up. Now you saying I'm the one. Don't you know I got the juice, got the sauce. Get from around me, boy, get lost. You look goofy, you're a fraud. Don't fuck with lames, swear to God. And before you blew me off, then I glued up and took off. Now you're left in the exhaust, but that's your own damn fault. Should've known you was fucking with a boss. Yeah, should've known you was fucking with a boss. Yeah. Should've known you was fucking with a fine ass chick, down a ride ass chick. Always on your side like that clip on your hip. If you was blind, I would be your vision. Guess you found out the highway that I'm still the shit. Found out the highway. I guess you found out the highway. Yeah. Found out the highway. I guess you found out the highway. You found out the highway.
okay, so all of these are never been used products. And I'm gonna go through and they're gonna be added to my makeup giveaway. Some of these will stay, majority, but I just wanted to go through, and if I'm not using it, there's no need for me to keep them.
should've seen my potential. Riding the wheels off the bandwagon, I'm taking that as an insult. And now you want a piece of it, when before you didn't believe a bitch. Can't believe this shit, you must be tweaking if you think somehow once I stop peeking, you can't come around. You got me messed up, gotta go run my checkup. You can't tip then pop back up. I don't know what you thought that it was, and before you blew me off, but now you know you messed up. Now you're left in the exhaust, but that's your own damn fault. Should know you was fucking with a boss. Yeah, should know you was fucking with a boss. Yeah. Should know you was fucking with a fine-ass chick, down a ride-ass chick. Always be inside like that clip on your hip. If you was blind, I would be your vision. Guess you found out the highway, that I'm still the shit. Found out the highway, I guess you found out the highway. Yeah. You found out the highway, I guess you found out the highway. You found out the highway, I guess you found out the highway.
Okay, so this is all of the makeup that I'm getting rid of. The lip products, the bronzers, the face powders, blushes, highlighters, even new makeup that's going to be added to the giveaway. And yeah, so these two particular products are maybes because I never used them and put them to test, and this is a bronzer and a highlighting powder. So I put these two to the side, but everything else is going in the giveaway. And lip products definitely gonna have to be trashed because no one can use them. But like face products, like highlighters and stuff, I can disinfect, sanitize, and give them away to whomever wants them. And then of course these have never been used. I also have another box for the giveaway. Those lip products has never been used back there. But all of these, like I don't even recall like using this one. So that could be used. The highlighter could be used. But I don't recall ever using this either. This could be reused. I've never used this one. I maybe swatched it, but the lip products for sure, except this one. This is brand new. That could be given away. All of these can go. They're either old or I don't reach for them anymore. So yeah, that's everything that I am giving away. So now we're gonna go through my actual makeup collection, my drawers, to show the difference. So this is where I have my blushes and face powders. And as you can see, I have made a lot of progress in getting rid of products that I do not use anymore. Next up is highlighters. This is all of the highlighters that I have compared to what I used to have. So I feel like I did pretty well in getting rid of. Now I didn't declutter my lipsticks, but this is my lipstick collection. Zoom in. I have MAC, ColourPop, Juvia's Place, Huda Beauty, Fenty, Milani. So it's a mixture of lipsticks. Okay, so this is my decluttered lip glosses and liquid lipsticks compared to what I had at first. So I feel like I did an excellent job in decluttering. Now this is my brushes. I don't have time to go through this right now because I don't want to get rid of any of my brushes. This is my foundation drawer, primers, and powders as far as like translucent powders. So I've already went through my foundation collection. and I can link that video for you to check out. I didn't declutter any of my high-end eyeshadow palettes. This is all that I have: Charlotte Tilbury, Pat McGrath, Huda Beauty, Anastasia Beverly Hills, and Urban Decay. I also didn't declutter from my affordable eyeshadow palettes. As you can see, I have a lot of Juvia's Place and Morphe palettes, as well as a couple of ColourPop and Beauty Bakery. Last but not least is the drawer that I just went through. And these are all new or unopened makeup products that I purchased. And just zoom in a little bit more so you can see. And yep,